Now, what you can see on my screen, I'm using a MacBook Pro, is the attn.live product. And as you can see, I can go live on YouTube or Amazon's Alexa devices, which I'm live currently right this moment at about 4:10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm live streaming in real time. I also can create an NFT or an ERC-721 token, which allows us to give ownership to our content creators, much like they have a deed for a house or a pink slip for a car. We give NFT tokens. Now, if I pressed start stream, that would begin the live podcast. In addition to that, I can use just about anything, right? So right now I'm using a cell phone, right? With my wireless microphone, just as I'm using a second wireless microphone into my computer to capture my screen share. But the nice thing is that it's possible for me to go live from any operating system or any device. It doesn't have to be a desktop computer or a cell phone. It could be a tablet. So two examples would be right here. We have a Windows Surface, and so we go live from a Windows Surface from time to time. And right here we have a Samsung tablet, and so we go live here as well. And the reason I show that to you is it's important to understand that technology today needs to work on any operating system, and it needs to work on just about any device. And we're expanding our ability to go live from other devices. And so what we've done is we've fostered and it took a long time, right? It took 2.5 years to get there, but we've created the ability to go live from any device to any device on any platform, and we're exploring new ways of doing that. And so I just wanted to give a quick demo of exactly how these things work. And so as I mentioned, I'm live right now on YouTube and Alexa, and so it's exciting to be able to connect directly with that audience. For those that are listening, thank you for your attention. For those that listen later, thank you for tuning in. And so that was my goal, was to just kind of share a quick little demo of how our product works. You know, of course, there's a lot more to show. You know, I have streams, and so as I log into my back-end dashboard and I want to look at my streams, basically all of my live podcasts create a 24-hour radio station, right? And so I can pick and choose the different podcasts I want to create the radio station with and choose the flow of that station. And then, of course, under my account, I have the ability to customize all of my NFT tokens. And so as we go live, I'm actually creating an NFT token when I go live. And I have the ability to customize all those tokens and do that inside of here. And so those are also nice things to kind of show folks when I do a live stream. Finally, for the demo, let me actually show you it working here in action. Alexa, open attn.live.
Welcome to attn.live. Tell me the name of the channel you'd like to stream.
Ian Utile. And then, of course, under my account, I have the ability to customize all of my NFT tokens. Alexa, so as we go live, I'm actually creating Alexa, an NFT. Stop. So that's what I was saying, I don't know, 30, 45 seconds ago. And that's considered real time, right? Zoom. If Zoom is live streaming to YouTube, there's going to be some sort of delay, as we have, but it's still real time, authentic, live podcasting that we're doing. And so that, what I've just showed you, is exactly how it works if the interface I want to listen on is a Alexa device, or if I want to listen on YouTube, or maybe it's going to be Twitter or Facebook or Google Assistant or Samsung Bixby. But there's different places where people are at, and there's different people that want to communicate with others, and we want to make it very seamless and easy for communicators to have access to listeners and listeners to have access to content on the platforms where they're already at. And so that is the product demo.